Hello and welcome. Let's solve this very simple math Olympiad question. Okay, so we have 3x raised to the x power, okay, raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of x plus 10. So what I will do first is to is to use one of the properties of exponent. That is the property that if we have a exponent m plus n, this will be equals to a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of n. I'm going to apply that to the right hand side. So we have 3 raised to the power 3 times x raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of x, then multiply by 3 raised to the power of 10. Okay, so now I'm going to divide both sides. I'm going to divide both sides by I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Okay, I'm going to divide both sides by 3 times 3 raised to the power of x. So this will be 3 multiplied by x raised to the power of x divided by 3 times 3 raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of 10 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x. Okay, so this 3 will cancel this. Okay, then 3 raised to the power of x will cancel 3 raised to the power of x. Then we'll be left with x raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x. And this will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 10 divided by 3. Okay, so that we can have x over 3 raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of 10 minus 1. Now, I just apply two properties of exponent. One of them is if we have a exponent m divided by b raised to the power of n. This is same as a over b raised to the power of n. Then also quotient rule for exponent. When we have, for instance, a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. This will be equals to a raised to the power of n minus n. So I just apply these two properties, to get this. Okay, so then on the left hand side remains x over 3 raised to the power of x. Then now on the right hand side, we're going to have 3 raised to the power of 9. We're going to have 3 raised to the power of 9. So here, we're going to do we are going to use a trick in this case. Now, if we have x over 3 raised to the power of x, so it means that if we have the power to be 9, okay, if we have the power to be 9, so it means that the power divided by this number, which is 3, okay, is the same as what we have as exponent x of x over 3. That is, what I mean is that x over 3 raised to the power of x is the same as 9 divided by 3, okay, raised to the power of 9. It makes sense, okay? So which means that the value of x will be 9. And this is because 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then we still get our 3 raised to the power of 9. So which means on the left hand side we have quotient of x, that's x over 3, okay? X over 3 raised to the power of x, okay? So which means x is equals to 9. The power is also what? 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the value of x, okay, is 9. Now let's verify our answer. Let's verify. We have 3x raised to the power of x equals to 3 raised to the power of x plus 10. Now, the value of x is 9. So I'm going to start from the left hand side. So we have 3 times 9 raised to the power of 9. 3 times 9 raised to the power of 9. So this is the left hand side. Okay. So in this case, this will be 3 times 3 raised to the power of 2. Okay, because 9 is 3 raised to the power of 2 when expressed as a power of 3. Okay, then raised to the ninth power. Okay, so now 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, so we still have our left hand side to be equals to 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 18, because 2 times 9 is 18. So that this will be 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 18. And the left hand side will be 3 raised to the power of 19. So we have left hand side to be equals to 3 raised to the power of 19. Are we going to get the same as the right hand side? So for right hand side we have 3 raised to the power of x plus 10. Now the value of x is equals to 9. So which means right hand side will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 9 plus 10. So it follows that the right hand side will be equals to, we have 3 raised to the power of 9 plus 10. This is 19. So therefore, left hand side is equivalent to the what? Right hand side. And here is how to show or find out if our answer is correct. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.